What is up, Z-Force? What's good? It's razzaq here, and I'm back with another one. In today's video, bro, I already see the title, man. Like, I be trying to come at y'all with like surprises, but I forget you can already read the title. I'm putting down my hair, bro. Like, as y'all can already tell, like, the old color, the Super Saiyan God, it's just starting to fade because, you know, it was semi-temporary, but, you know, I just feel like I transformed again. You know what I'm saying? My dreads at my shoulders now. I feel like we just need a new color. It's time for a new color. I hope y'all like, I hope y'all enjoy. I'm finna have a retwist video coming very, very soon, so make sure you stay on the lookout for that. And
I'm success inside my life like every single day. I got money falling out my pockets, man, this life is so amazing, but I had to work hard every day. I feel just like a slave. Teachers telling me I wasn't gonna be shit back in 5th grade, and my mama looking at me telling me to get straight in your life. Fuck who get paid.
Without any further ado, but let's just get straight into it. Stay right here. I'm finna show y'all boys the products we're finna be using to dye my hair. This magical combination. So I don't want to see nobody comment and ask me what color it is, because you can just come back to this video. The first color that we got is gonna be this ruby red, bro. You know we had to, you know we had to come back with some more red, bro. I fuck with this color so heavy, I had to re-up on the red, but it's gonna be a little bit different this time. You feel me? Next color we got is crimson, because as y'all can see, bro, I'm not even gonna explain. Y'all are gonna see. Last color is gonna be this black velvet. I couldn't find jet black. I wanted it to be as black as possible, but this is gonna have to get the job done. The first step that we're gonna do is we're gonna be mixing this crimson with this ruby red. And in case you were wondering, I'm gonna put it right here once again. You guys can see it's the Adore hair dye. Mixing this with this, in this, with this. So let's get into it. I'm already knowing this is finna be hella messy. That's why I got this mixing bowl and this brush for this time. I'm really not trying to get it on my hands too much. But as y'all can see, I'm just mixing this shit up. This shit look like blood. Like, this is literally black, but I'm finna put it on my hair right now, and we'll see how this come out. Let me go ahead and put like a little t-shirt around my head or something, or just, I don't know, bro. I don't know why I'm stalling. As y'all can see, like, this red is very, very different from the other red. Like, this is actually like red as fuck. Like, that ass like some Lil Yachty red. I'm happy that the colors came out like this, bro, because I was low-key scared that I got the wrong colors. Like, on some shit, I thought I was gonna get the wrong color. I'm finna come back whenever I get the red all the way around my hair so we can get just to the next color, and I'll be right back after that. Alright, you guys, so as y'all can already see, your boy, you know what I'm saying, I already got the red all in my hair, bro. I don't need to do too much talking. There's not much more for me to tell y'all other than I got the red in my hair. I don't know. I fuck with the way the red look, like heavy. Like, as y'all know, this red is like different. It's a lot brighter than the other red that I did. I just feel like this whole this whole just feed me more, no cap. But yeah, I just finished dyeing this. I'm about to rinse it out, so hopefully the color like held well. I don't know, bro. I don't even know how long I left it in there. I'm stupid and I didn't put a timer, so we just gonna pray that I left it in for long enough, bro. Hopefully I don't stay in my bathtub. Then I'm gonna finally show you guys what I'm using the black for. I know y'all in this whole like, what's the black for? You bought the red. I see the red. Where's the black? I'm gonna keep it a buck, bro. Like, this right here is probably finna be the hardest and most crucial part. This right here was nothing, to be honest. All I had to do was put the red hair dye in. I couldn't really fuck that up. But this next part is what I'm scared of, bro. I'm not trying to copy Cardi, so I just put a little spin on this shit. I saw a nigga Lancey Foux. I put a picture of it on the screen. I saw a nigga Lancey Foux do the pink with black, and I was like, that's hard, but I'm not gonna do pink with black. So what I'm finna do is try and do like this much of my dread like black type shit. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen. I made like a fake little simulation. Let me show y'all how this shit came out. Shit came out real nice. Shit came out real bright. Look like Ronald McDonald's, you know what I'm saying? But I'm fucking with it very heavily. And I know y'all see the length. The shit sitting on my shoulders. You know what I'm saying? I like to have fun with my hair already. Y'all been new that I like to have fun with my hair. I recently combed out this dread too, so it's kind of loose. Let me dry my hair, set the camera up, and we're gonna try and do this. Hopefully I don't fuck it up, bro. Let's get into it, bro. Wish me luck. We got this, bro. Let's go. So I decided to tie my hair up like this and do it in like little quarters. Hopefully this shit goes well, bro. I just rinsed off the brush. I think I'm I don't know, bro. I was low-key thinking about just dipping my dreads in this, so let me try that on the first one. You feel me? That shit was kind of dumb, but at the same time, this shit kind of worked. To be honest, this was just good so I could see what I'm talking about. Just that black tip. That shit is hard as fuck. Damn. I'm not trying to mess this shit up. As y'all can see, like, this is how I want it to look all throughout all of them. So what I'm finna do is I'm finna rinse out this bowl. I feel like it'd be a lot easier if I had the bowl. So I'm finna do that real quick and come back. So give me a second. All right, so I poured most of the dye. Ew, she got my lip. Pause, super awesome. I got that shit in the bowl right now. So I think I'm finna just like continue doing that dipping shit. So first things first, I'm finna try and get just this first row of dread so everything can line up evenly, and then dip this shit in there. Bro, like, I'm not a professional, so if you do this and you fuck up your hair, don't blame me. I was just trying some shit out. And I fucked up. Nah, I'm playing. I got that that shit. My main shit now is, I might have to use my hands. Yeah, no cap. I'm finna just use my hands to wipe that shit off. I'm finna spread it around to all where I want it to be at. The trick I noticed is like, if you massage some shit lightly, like in between two colors, it gives it like a little transition. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. It's not just red to black type shit. So I'm finna move up a little bit, give it the little transition I was just talking about. This might also help that it's wet, but you feel me? I'm gonna keep doing that. Shit, that whole little lock. That whole little lock to me, I don't know about y'all, but I'll fuck with this shit, you feel me? If you don't fuck with it, you a hater. If you don't fuck with it, you lying. And, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this shit hard to me. I'm from Atlanta, yeah, straight out the beat. But yeah, bro, I'm finna come back when I do my whole head, bro. I'm finna just keep doing it like that, that little dip method. And then I'm finna, boy, finish. I just did the last of the black tips. Everything is blacked out now. I think I might have left one right here, so that when I twist it, it might look kind of cool. I don't know. I'm just experimenting with shit, you know. But yeah, your boy just dyed everything black at the end right now. I don't know how long it's been since I left it in, because once again, I forgot to set a timer. I don't know why I keep forgetting. As y'all can see, bro, I just like the way this whole look from a distance, like that would just look, I don't know, bro. That shit just clean. That shit really just clean, bro. But I'm finna do this little retwist. I just went on IG Live. I talked to the live boys, and they told me I should do the 2-strand twist. So I'm sorry if you wanted me to do braids or something else, but IG Live niggas got it first. So we finna do these 2-strand twists. Make sure you stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I ain't even gonna lie, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you at all. I was gonna record myself doing the retwist, but I started doing the retwist. I sat down, turned on the Netflix, and 100% forgot to turn on the camera, bro. I know. But as y'all can see, it came out pretty nice, you feel me? Your boy just got the 2-strand twist. This is actually like 2 days later. So like the color kind of started to set in. I like the way it looks. That whole almost look like it's purple at the tips though. Like, I don't know. I might go back over with the black. I might leave it like this. Who knows, man? For now, I'm just gonna leave it like this though. I was planning to like bleach the roots again, and then dye that shit red too, and then maybe I'll do the black more. But hey man, for now this is what we rocking with. I need to get a chop real bad. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, sub, follow me on IG, do all that stuff, bro. But you know, I'm gonna be back here with another video soon, so I'll catch up with it later. Y'all stay safe and
This is a razzaq YT production.